6. Quinoa Salad, a protein-packed salad that is both hearty and nutritious, featuring colorful vegetables and a zesty dressing. Recipe. Ingredients: 1 cup quinoa, rinsed 2 cups water, 1 bell pepper, diced 1 cucumber, diced 1 cup cherry tomatoes, halved 1/4 cup parsley, chopped 1/4 cup olive oil, juice of 1 lemon, salt and pepper to taste. Instructions. In a pot, bring quinoa and water to a boil. Reduce heat, cover, and simmer for 15 minutes. Let it cool. In a large bowl, combine cooked quinoa, bell pepper, cucumber, tomatoes, and parsley. Whisk together olive oil, lemon juice, salt, and pepper. Then pour over the salad. Toss to combine and serve. 7. Greek salad, a refreshing salad bursting with Mediterranean flavors, featuring cucumbers, tomatoes, olives, and feta cheese. Recipe. Ingredients: 2 cups cucumber, diced 2 cups tomatoes, chopped 1/2 red onion, thinly sliced, 1/2 cup Kalamata olives, 1/4 cup feta cheese, crumbled to tablespoons olive oil, 1 tablespoon red wine vinegar, oregano, salt, and pepper to taste. Instructions. In a bowl, combine cucumber, tomatoes, red onion, olives, and feta cheese. Drizzle with olive oil and red wine vinegar, and season with oregano, salt, and pepper. Toast gently and serve. 8. Spinach strawberry salad, a delightful mix of fresh spinach and sweet strawberries, perfect for a light and refreshing meal. Recipe. Ingredients: 4 cups fresh spinach, 2 cups strawberries, sliced 1/4 cup walnuts, chopped 1/4 cup feta cheese, crumbled to tablespoons balsamic vinaigrette. Instructions. In a large bowl, combine spinach, strawberries, walnuts, and feta cheese. Drizzle with balsamic vinaigrette and toss to combine. Serve immediately. 9. Tuna salad, a classic salad that's perfect for lunch, combining protein-rich tuna with crisp vegetables. Recipe. Ingredients: 1 can tuna, drained 1/4 cup mayonnaise, 1/4 cup celery, diced 1/4 cup red onion, diced 1 tablespoon lemon juice, salt and pepper to taste. Instructions. In a bowl, mix tuna, mayonnaise, celery, red onion, and lemon juice. Season with salt and pepper. Serve on lettuce leaves or with crackers. 10. Pasta salad, a versatile dish that can be customized with your favorite ingredients, making it perfect for potlucks and gatherings. Recipe. Ingredients: 8 pasta, fusilli or penne, 1 cup cherry tomatoes, halved 1/2 cup bell pepper, diced 1/4 cup black olives, sliced 1/2 cup mozzarella balls, 1/4 cup Italian dressing. Instructions. Cook pasta according to package instructions. Drain and cool. In a large bowl, combine pasta, cherry tomatoes, bell pepper, olives, and mozzarella. Drizzle with Italian dressing and toss to combine. Serve chilled. These salads are not only delicious, but also packed with nutrients, making them perfect for any meal. Enjoy experimenting with different ingredients and flavors.